Good morning, Peter and the teachers. My name is Lina Gonzalez. I am 21 years old, study degree in mathematics and yours at the same time. My marital status is single. Born in Granada, Meta, on January 8 and 1997. My family went one like my mother, Luz Marina Diaz, and my daughter, Valeria Torres. I am very sincere, tender, and I girl and her is smiling and play with my daughter. I do not like to wake every my daily to life is to work from 10 and the evening night and night.